Hey guys, what's up? Got this little SSR SX50. They are 50cc 2-stroke, single speed, nice little dirt bikes, sort of. Built relatively cheaply. They don't cost a whole lot, but anyhow, you might have ran into the same problem, which is an issue with your carburetor. So I'm going to show you real quick. I have mine removed here so I can show you quickly how to take it out. It's easier to do once it's already out, but I'll walk you through it here quick. So here is the carb once I have it already removed. The issue I ran into is okay, Gage, don't touch it.
That one's how bad.
So here's the carb already removed. The issue I ran into is this petcock snapped off. So yeah, so I couldn't find the little piece, so I just bought a whole new carb for 20 bucks. I'm just gonna throw it on. So anyhow, when you go to remove this, the first thing you're gonna have to do is take this intake cone off, and you'll see it's really close to this bar right here. So if you loosen this clamp enough, you'll be able to pop it off of this black part right here. So you'll have to pry it up though as you pop it off to clear, so it'll go over top.
Make sure the Versitos don't get on any of your legs or things.
It'll be okay. Alright, so yeah, you got to pry that up and over top. So make sure your hose clamp is loose enough and it'll pry up and come off. So once you get that off, you'll see this black plate on here. This plate is held on with 2 Phillips screws. You can see I don't have them in here, but you back those 2 Phillips screws out, and then that will come off. So you can get a screwdriver in through the back here towards the carb when the carb is in there. And then once that is out, you'll be able to access these 2 Allen bolts right here. Okay, so these Allen bolts go the whole way through the carb and into the engine, into that part. So you have to break them free with a small Allen wrench. If this is all you have, it will work, but it takes a while. You got to spin it. If you can get something like this, you can spin it a lot faster with your hands. So once you break those free, this will drop loose. The top of the carb here will untwist. Carefully pull your needle out. Try not to let that get scratched or beat up. And then the new one will go in exactly the same. Save your gasket. You can move this gasket and this plastic spacer. That's a heat spacer for your carb. You'll move that onto your new carb. There's the new one.
I want to tell you something. I saw one on your head.
Did you get it?
No. It floated away once.
Alright, so there's the gasket. You have to pry the spacer off. Put that on there. Slide your carb on. Slide your 2 Allen bolts through. Tighten your Allen bolts. Put this black intake adapter on. Tighten it with the 2 screws. Make sure you have this notch going up. That's for the choke. And then you can slip this back on carefully and tighten your intake, and you'll be all done and ready to ride. So, thanks for watching.